In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Reddit app on iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open the Reddit app and just click here. Then click settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Then under dark mode, we have a lot of options. Here you can see this dark mode option. Just click that. That's it. Now it's turned on. And here we have two more options. Light theme. If you click this, we have different options. If you turn off dark mode, here you can see the different options. If it suits okay, you can also use this, or you can just turn on the dark mode. That's it. And this is how you can turn on dark mode on Reddit by using your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means you will like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.